What's up, y'all? I want to put this picture up and point out one thing. The picture says, one of the most important moments in my recovery was the day I discovered I could do anything without hands, but it would require more time, patience, ingenuity, resources, and effort. Most of these are inside of me. The one thing that isn't inside of you is the resources. And I want to share a couple of resources for bowling and rolling strikes. Now, the rest of it is up to you. Bowling is a sport that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and abilities. If you're a bilateral hand amputee and you're interested in trying bowling, I've got a couple of events you can attend. One is put on by an amputee in Texas named Ronnie. The other is happening in a few weeks on October 7th and 8th in Cleveland, Ohio. Andy Maddox is putting this one on, and I'll be there. Plus, if you need help to get there, there's an organization called Enhancing Skills for Life that offers scholarships to help with travel costs. At this event, you can try out one of these bowling devices. It looks like a little laser gun for outer space. Full power, Scotty. Let me explain this bop gun looking thing. So this red arm connects to the cable on cable driven prostheses. The device is fitted with an adapter collar so it can be inserted where the terminal device is inserted. This end, there is a lock nut, and when it's tightened, this rubber washer is compressed and expands in width. This helps get the right fit to the hole in the bowling ball. It needs to be tight enough so that the ball doesn't just fall off, but not so tight that the ball doesn't come off when you attempt to roll it. Now, when I roll and extend my arm, the cable pulls on the device arm. The device arm is being pushed towards the end by a spring, and when the cable pulls against the spring-loaded arm, it allows the rubber washer to decompress, and that releases the ball. Big shout out and thank you to John Rouse for inventing this. And thank you to Texas Assistive Devices for manufacturing this. I emailed them and they said they have these for sale. So if you get very happy when you're bowling and you find out, wow, this is my sport, you can purchase one. When choosing a ball, it's important to find one that is the right weight for you. Typically, a ball that weighs around 10 to 12 pounds is a good starting point. Once you have your equipment, it's time to get on the lane. Now, using a ramp can be a great option for transhumeral amputees that are bilateral. In fact, I was barely winning against someone using a ramp, so it's not a bad way to go. Now, these are a few strikes and spares, but they are only highlights. And I have rolled a lot more gutter balls. And remember, bowling is a sport that takes practice to master. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be hitting those strikes and spares like a pro. It's like that picture in the beginning says, it takes effort. And that's one of the things that's in you. Plus, my favorite part of bowling is talking so much trash to your bowling friends and then backing it up too. And one of my personal favorite trash talking, I'm beating you without using my hands. Where you at, son? Now, any other pointers, you'll have to come to the Fundraiser tournament, either one. Because there are a lot more experienced bowlers there, and the people at the tournament are so nice and helpful. Usually they are Usually Ronnie's tournament, which is in Texas, is held during February, and it can be a nice break from the cold weather depending where you live. And also Andy's Rock and Bowl event in Cleveland, October 7th and 8th, link down below. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been informational, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. If you're an amputee who loves bowling, don't let anything hold you back. With the right equipment and a little practice, you can enjoy this fun and rewarding sport. Strike! Yeah! Turkey! Eagle! Oh, I don't even know if that's one. Thank you for watching.